Should you get your long-term health care coverage through a professional association? What a great question. Now, I will tell you without a doubt, the best coverage you can get is an individual disability policy. It's costly, but you can customize what it is you're getting in terms of elimination periods, the quality of the benefits, how much is being paid. It's just a really customizable product. Now, if you have an alternative, another alternative might be through your employer. If your employer doesn't offer it, then another alternative would be through a professional association, like the Florida Bar Association or the American Accountants Association or some association alternative. So what are the pros and cons of buying your benefits through an association? Well, there are a number of benefits and there are some important cons. One of the benefits, in fact, I think there are 5 primary benefits, are 1, lower premium, 2, you generally don't have to complete an application detailing your health conditions. Generally, number 3, there's no physical to qualify for the policy or the plan. Number 4, the premiums are waived if you qualify for long-term care benefits. And then 5, you can convert an association policy to an individual policy at a cost if you left the association. But there are 6 cons to buying a coverage through an association. So what are they? Number 1, whatever the association got in terms of benefits is what you get. Number 2, you might have limited benefits in terms of what's covered, how long the coverage lasts, caps on benefits providers or facilities. Number 3, there might be a really long elimination period, and that's the period in which you get no benefits, but you still have to pay for your own care. Number 4 is you might have specific proof of need requirements. Number 5, there might be a very specific process to file a claim. And number 6, you may have to coordinate your association provided benefits with any other health care benefits you might be eligible for, including governmental benefits, Medicaid, or your own private long-term care benefits. So there's coordination. But there is another problem, a bigger problem, and that is an association policy may be governed by a very unfriendly federal law known as the ERISA statute. The ERISA statute governs health care benefits, disability insurance, pensions, those sorts of things. This federal law has specific claim provisions, a limited appeal period, and rules and regulations that can make it hard to successfully appeal a wrongful denial or termination of your long-term care benefits. Now, many association policies or plans have in them what I call a get-out-of-jail-free card, and that card lets the disability carrier or a long-term disability carrier or a carrier deny or terminate benefits. And it's very hard to go into federal court with this get-out-of-jail arbitrary and capricious card and convince a judge that what they did was wrong. So that get-out-of-jail-free card, that arbitrary and capricious plan, can make it difficult for you to get those benefits. I just want you to understand that, because in my view, that's a big con. If you have any questions about your rights to long-term health care benefits, if your claim has been denied or terminated, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We look forward to helping you get those long-term care benefits, regardless of where you live in the United States, regardless of the nature of your medical care, and regardless of the nature of your professional association. 727-894-3188.